Today we're going to take a look at how to create a class in Google Classroom. So the first thing you do is make sure you're logged into your school account. Then you have two ways to get there. You can go to your app tiles and then click on the classroom icon. And there it is. Or you can type in classroom.google.com and get there as well. So this is a new account. The first thing you do is you're going to select the plus button. Notice it says create or join your first class. If it just says join your first class, you need to contact the Google admin to set you up as a teacher. So we're going to hit plus, create a class, and now it wants some information. So now we need to fill in our class information. So I'm going to put in the name, and I'm going to call it ELA with my last name. The section, this is where I would put the class period, so if it's first hour or second hour, and this will help more at the beginning of the year. Subject, I'm going to put English, but it's not going to show up where you would think it would. I'll show you that in a moment. And I'm going to put the classroom number, so I'm just going to make up a number and put 222, and then create. So now it's given me a basic theme, and Google is really good about giving you a little notice when they've made some changes. So they have some changes here that they've made, and you can select Learn More. I'm just going to put that I've got it. Now I like to change my header to a different color for each class. Not only does that help me keep up with what class I'm going into, but it also helps the students as well. You might want to get together with your grade level to make sure that you all use different colors. So I can change the theme. I can select a theme over here. Let's see. But I really do like that one, so I'm going to keep that one. And notice right here, here's the name and the class period. So that's going to be on the student screen as well, and that's going to help everybody keep up with what they're in. So when you're ready to add students, go to People, and you have a choice. You can either hit the plus and type in the email, so I'll type in, and notice how it comes up, so I'm just going to click. So you can type all of those in. Let me cancel that. The other way that you could do it is to go to this gear icon, and right here is a class code. So I'm going to display this code, and what you would do with that is you would do that in class and have the students go to classroom.google.com and enter this code to join the class. Occasionally the code's hard to read, so you can reset the code to give you a different set of characters, and that'll just keep changing. Or if you want to make sure that people don't try to add your class later, you can reset it, and that way if anyone shares the code, there's nothing, it won't work. Now let's X out of this. Go to my stream. So this is my main page. So if you click the About button, you will find all of the information that you entered earlier, where it said English because it doesn't show up as English, and the classroom number doesn't show up in your heading either. But that's where that information goes.